cop across the street.
Carly were here, she'd be freaking the f out.
Oh, dude, she would be freaking out if she just saw the cop sitting
Carly would
across
be
the
like,
street.
oh my god, we're arrested.
They're watching us. They're watching us.
Look at
So I just told Maddie that I know Logan from Zoe 101, and she about lost her. Hey, seriously, I'll message her right now.
Why are you making pterodactyl noises? Maddie's excited.
Wait, I'm gonna send him a request. Tell him to, in a minute, I'm gonna send him a friend request on Facebook and tell him to
Maddie, are you okay?
I just want his number. If he has a girlfriend, or maybe not, it doesn't matter. What do you think? Do you think he has a girlfriend? It doesn't matter.
Oh, I'm gonna choke.
Maddie, contain yourself.
I'm red. Am I red? Is my
Oh
cheeks
my
red?
god. Have you ever seen Maddie like this before?
No. She's
I've
like,
never seen you like this.
That's so cool, dude. The only famous person I've ever met is. I don't think I've ever met a famous person. Wait, no, we met kidding. We met kidding.
Alien's so over it.
What, you're not a fan of Logan from Zoe 101?
Well, you're just not in the club.
Don't be rude.
I'm not even being rude.
Rude.
How am I being rude?
So I wasn't in the club.
I didn't say which club you weren't a part of. Maybe it's an all-boys club.
Maybe I still want to be a part of the all-boys club.
Well, maybe that's not possible.
I'm part of every club.
Maybe
Jacob.
it's not possible physically, Kayleen.
You know what, Jubilee? I don't give a.
Oh, I know this. I made it.
Maddie f***ing beats.
Can I do Jacob's hair? Welcome to K Nasty's salon. Please sit.
Ooh. Oh, I feel like this is super sexy.
Can I shoot now? Am I shoot ready enough for you?
Oh my god. You look like Miley Cyrus.
Like Helena Handbasket?
Oh, you know you look like Ace Ventura.
He quit Swacha! He quit Swacha!
Dude, you got a big ass forehead.
Dude, it's a 5 head.
You got a 5 head. Oh, big old double bacon cheeseburger headed ass. What the fuck?
Hey, can you bring us snacks? Football field size head. You can land a Boeing
737 on that bitch.
How much room you got on that? You can start a whole Toyota dealership on that lot.
I don't like that.
What are you looking at?
Put your
What?
fingers over your eyebrows so it looks like you don't have a. No, cover all the hair.
Park a yacht up on that bitch.
I'm going to start a new nation. One where it's all me. Ah.
What are you?
They think they're so funny.
What'd they say?
They called me string cheese, and I happened to look over.
Chicken nuggets. There's like this whole like meme of like a bunch of like words that were like incorrectly spelled, but they're like in public, and like one says chicken nugget, and then the other one is like bench for spinning. There's one that says bench, and it's right under a bench. There's one more. Rugly.
Wait, can you walk in that?
Oh,
Can you like make it move?
Please, God, go to Sonic in that.
I don't have pants on though, so.
This is how you leave the house when the coronavirus hits. I would handle it, but I don't have arms to grab the door.
Okay, watch out. Hey, you're gonna run into something to the left. Okay, you can run. Okay, you should probably stop. Dope.
Don't tell me what to do, dickling.
Tickling.
It's a tickling. I don't like that word, you guys. I know I made it up, but I don't like it.
I need to work.
All right.
You little dickling.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
See you, dickling.
It is a little unicorn. Oh, this one's freaking cute. Cauliflower. Get it? Because we've got broccoli, celery, and now cauliflower. Oh, wow. Oh, dude, it's thick. Look at that. Damn, boy.
What'd you feed him?
Should we go show everyone my new children?
Yeah.
This one's so cute. I legit can't get over it. Ooh. Cheeks. But then look at this thick ass dolphin. Look at its ass cheeks. That's its tail, but. Have you ever seen a dolphin with that thick of a flipper?